Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming and clicking on this week's video. First of all, I want to say thank you so much to my new subscribers. I have been seeing all of you coming forth onto this channel. I really appreciate it, I really do. And of course, my online friends, you guys. I love you guys. But I'm going to get straight into it because some of you are so rude. You don't like me to talk. Anyway, I'm grateful for the voice that God has given me. You know, this channel is all about information and entertainment to some degree, and all of my accents and all of that. If you don't like that, you have to do this. It's called swipe. You don't have to watch the channel. But for those of you who love this channel and are appreciative of my craziness, you are welcome. Right, okay, all that done. Let me just get straight onto the video. Okay? This week is about another challenge. I know it's the end of May and we've barely got a week to go till June comes, but we have still got time to fit in the challenge for the month of May. It's going to go over to June. It doesn't matter, okay? All right, so have you noticed the puffiness of my hair? I haven't even put Mr. Pick to my hair, and this is another reason why I feel like I want to bring this next challenge to you. It's incredibly moisturized, and that is how I've been able to retain this length and the bushiness, or the fluffy. It looks good. Oh. This is a 5-day-old wash and go. Let me introduce you to the hair. Okay, so the hair, the curls are still popping. Hello, look at the poppage. Woo, look at that one. My hair looks so moisturised, it's still got a nice shine to it. So for the month of May, it's really for us to get it up there. It's about a moisture check challenge. Hey, it's not really a challenge, but I thought it sounded good. And the reason why I'm deciding to do this moisture check challenge is really about routine and helping us up here. Like, you know, is my hair dry? Okay then. Moisture the thing. So what have I been doing to keep my hair so moisturized so that it's been helping me retain length? But I noticed it's not just about how much hair I grow during the challenge. I think it's more about the amount of hair retention I'm able to gain once the challenge is finished, and how I'm able to have healthy hair consistently, because that is the key. I go through the comments, which I'm nearly finished. I'm nearly done answering all of you guys in the comments, so thank you for your patience for that. But I just look through the comments and I see time and time again,
my hair's dry, the rice water's broken my hair, or my hair's really brittle, or my hair's all broken off, or I have to have a rest because this is not working.
And you can do the rice water challenges because that is really great for conditioning your hair, really great for strengthening your hair, and amazing for giving you extra growth that particular month. I'm just going to break it down for you because I think if we have an understanding what hydration is and moisture is, what it is for our hair, we might just be able to apply that and our hair will be moisturized for longer. Now, hydration for the hair is very similar to moisture, but it's the process of using humectants, vitamins, amino acids and critical vitamins, which improves the absorption of water and nutrients so that the hair can hold all of the water and moisture. Now, versus moisturizing the hair, and this is the process of us using butters and oils to coat the outer surface of the hair fibers, and this seals and locks in any moisture that's already in there. For example, hydration. The hydration is already there, but the butters and the oils will then seal that in. Now, hoping that you've understood that, we want to try and hydrate our hair when it needs it. If we do it too much, there'll be moisture overload and our hair can literally become weak and break off. Once I got it in my mind that what I'm supposed to be doing, it's becoming like a routine, a regular thing of how I hydrate my hair and how I moisturize my hair. Now, you can do this with anything you have, but I'm going to show you what I've been using. You might want to join me, add or take away whatever you like, okay? I will link some videos up here as this video is going on so you can see how I made some of the DIYs, so you can refer back to them later on. Okay, so I have these three. Oh, sorry, that wasn't supposed to happen. Take two. I have these three here. I've been doing tea rinses, but they're not tea rinses, they're leave-ins. Each one of these that I've done, they are moisture rich and they're super hydrating because each one of them goes deep, penetrating into the hair shaft. So I have the aloe vera juice, which most people know about the aloe vera. You know, I've just recently joined the gang. Now I am part of your gang. Moving on to my second choice, which is the hibiscus and fenugreek tea. This stuff is amazing, which I absolutely love. I could actually drink this. And last but not least, I know you can't see it in here, but it's actually rice water with aloe vera because I need to take down the protein and mix it with something very moisturising. So these are my three, but don't get it twisted. It doesn't stop there. I have to do something else as well. With the sprays that I have, that is hydrating my hair. And then I'm going to add in the oils or the butters to actually moisturize my hair and to seal in that moisture. Now, there's a few things you could use. I use the Mel's Butter Me Up cream. Some of you have this already, but this is a very rich, creamy butter that's got a lot of goodness in. It's got MSM in, it's got shea butter, amla, oh, it's got loads of beautiful things in. You can have a look at the details down below to see the ingredients list, all natural of course. I also have a choice of putting in a leave-in conditioner, which is the Leave-In by Amari Me as well. This has got flaxseed and aloe vera in. It's just got so many lovely ingredients in there, all natural as well. And then two other brands that I've kind of, you know, for a styling purpose, would be the Sheer Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. You guys know what this is like. This has been around for years. It's very thick, as you can see. Ain't coming down. It has a high content of glycerin in, and as you know, glycerin is a humectant, so it's going to draw the moisture from the air. I also like using this one on occasion to activate my curls. This is the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activating Cream. So for this challenge, all I want us to do is just to get in our minds in that beautiful head God has given us to hydrate and moisturize our hair when it needs it. So if you keep your hair moisturized, you will retain the length. Sister, trust me. I don't know like. So all I've been doing is either the lock method or the LCO. It's really simple. Like, I'm going to show you, okay? Just here. Can you see all that frizz? Actually, the texture of it feels like, you know, I could do with a little bit of moisture there. So I don't ignore it. That's what you don't do. You just tend to your hair. So every day, I'm going to have to act this out for you, okay? Because, you know, I have to do the thing because the guys are going to ask me in the comments, can you show us exactly what you do? So I'm going to show you exactly what I do. My hair would have gone up in a, oh my goodness, it would be up in a pineapple. Then I see which parts actually look like they could do with a bit of hydration or moisture. And it might not be this part, but it might be this, because it feels a little bit like teased. You know what hair feels like when it's being teased? It feels a little bit. It feels like it's hydrated, like there's moisture retained there, but I don't know, it doesn't look it. It looks a little bit rough. So what I normally do is I get the area in question, we take it, and this is what I normally do. So you don't have to make 3 different tea rinses or tea sprays. You don't have to do that, but I did because I'm extra. So I'm feeling like I could just go with the hibiscus and fenugreek. So all I'm doing is just, I'm putting that in. I'm kneading it into the hair. Well, I can already feel how moisturising that is. It's got a nice amount of slip on it from the fenugreek and the hibiscus. Right, when I'm feeling like that has been distributed well into the hair, I grab the first product I'm going to be using, which is the conditioner. I'm going to leave the conditioner on my hair. So all I'm using for that is this much. That's probably too much. Just adding in. If you're not doing it already, this is for those sisters out there that need a little helping hand, that after you've done a challenge, your hair starts to go dry. This is what you need to do, girl. So right, I've just really kneaded that in. And these practices are really, really good. I just needed that in. Look at that. The hair looks goody good. Oh, right. That's enough loving on that. Get some Mel's Butter Me Up. I just need a little bit because I don't want to weigh down the hair already. It's got product build up almost. It's just a little bit. It just turns into an oil once it gets into contact with your hands. And I just really go in. Now I'm either gonna scrunch it or shingle it or just leave it with the pinchy method. I'm just making this up as I go along. Pinchy method, which is like this. It's like I want to kind of clump it so it becomes clumpy once I do it like this. And I leave it. Clumped method. Do that. Can you see here? This is it. This section. Doesn't it look nice? It's nice and healthy, and we're good. We're good. We step back, step away, and leave the hair because we all know what happens when we touch it too much. That's when we form the frizz. And then I just go and find other parts of the hair. So maybe this part here. See, it looks a little bit chubby. So I'm just going to do the same thing on this side. I'm just going to do a straight up aloe vera mix. So got aloe vera. Love aloe vera. And this time I'm just going to put the styling cream on, and then I'll put some of the butter, the Mel's Butter Me Up, to seal it, seal in the moisture. So we're going for the Cantu one. And it's so thick, so that's too much, but I'm heavy-handed. There we go. And then pinchy pinchies. Do the pinchy pinchy like this. Really working it like that. There we go. Hey, eventually it does curl, don't worry. That looks pretty mad, I know. Trust me, it does eventually curl. It does. And then I go and put another bit of Mel's Butter Me Up. Just a tiny bit, because again, don't want to clog up the hair strands and have too much of product overload. Look, and there it is. That's the section just here. And it literally will dry like that with a nice shine. All I've been doing is every single day, I've been waking up, take my hair out of the bonnet, let my hair completely fall down to where it wants to fall, and then I see different areas that needs a bit of a, you know, need some help with hydration and moisturization. And my hair is not soaking wet, it's misted. I don't make it damp. Now, I've been doing this every day for the last, say, 2 months. What I'm trying to get at is that this challenge should not be about, I need to grow my hair, I want to see how much length it's going to give me. So I'm putting this challenge out to you guys. It's not really one of these challenges, let's see, measure our hair and let's see how much length we can get. But I really wanted this video to be able to help some of us who are struggling to keep our hair moisturised. And I noticed, oh, it's a bit hot in here, isn't it? I think I'm having a hot flush. This menopause. Oh my word. Oh, getting old is not funny. The menopause doesn't want me to live my life. Now, I'm going to be doing this challenge with you guys. I'm going to be doing it for another 7 days. I just really want us to get into the psyche. And whenever your hair needs a little bit of a mist, not damp, just a mist of it, and then seal it with a butter or an oil. These are leave-in sprays. These sprays are meant to be kept in the fridge, and I only want you to use them for a week. So I do hope that's helpful. I really want us to get to the idea of learning how to moisturize our hair, because in June I definitely have a more protein leaning challenge for us to do. And if we master how to moisturize our hair, when we get to the June one, Charlie, we will be experts at growing healthy hair, trust me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate your time. Don't forget, let me know who does a moisturising, hydrating routine. Let me know your routine because we can all learn from each other. I'm going to be uploading my skincare routine that I do for this 48-year-old skin. Okay guys, I'm going now because I'm talking too much. I'll see you again in my next video. Take care, stay positive, and God bless you. Bye.